today's video, we are going to cook crawfish. This is frozen. First, we are going to eat crawfish today, and I'm so excited. Alright, water is boiling, so we are going to put this crawfish. We are going to boil this for about 6 minutes. And we are going to make our sauce. So here is our ingredients. This is minced garlic, butter, paprika, Cajun, bean, salt, black pepper, and lemon. So we are now going to cook our sauce. This is our garlic, minced garlic. Smells so good. Don't cook it too long so that the garlic won't burn. Now it's time to add the spices, paprika. I don't measure, guys. Cajun, cayenne. Got a little bit of sugar. Yes. Salt, pepper. Mix. Let's give it a try. To have more of this pepper. I forgot, you have to put this lemon to balance. More of this cayenne and paprika and Cajun. See that? It looks so yummy now. So I think everything is well incorporated, well combined. Now it's time to put our crawfish. Wow. This is so good. My favorite. This one is almost done. So yummy. You can add more of the ingredients according to your taste, okay? So mine, I did alter of the ingredients. I put more of the sugar, the salt, pepper, and cayenne. So this one is already done. Ooh, they're flying around. It's time to eat. Whoa, this is so deliciously great tasting. Sauce right there. You see all the sauce over there. This is so. Here is my food right there, and it's time to eat. Eat. I have here my juice. Wow. Yummy. All the juices is all right here. So you have to suck this in because this is so good. Yum. So good. Wow. Amazing. This is so yummy. It's been so long. Maybe like the first time I cooked this was 6 years. It's been 6 years. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Wow. Unbelievable. This is so yummy. This one is so big right here. It's very big. Big. See that? Wow. Yummy! Hey guys. Big. Head. Suck it. One more. Wow. Juice. Wow, it's so good. Hi guys, thank you for watching.